The question today is on rates and proportions, and the question reads, Tap A can fill a tank with water in 2 hours, Tap B can fill it in 5 hours, and Tap C can fill it in 4 hours. Tap D can empty the tank in 10 hours, and Tap E can empty it in 3 hours. All taps are opened and the tank is filled. How many hours are used to fill the tank when all the pipes are working? So we are going to use unitary method. In this method here, we are going to consider this. Remember, tap A alone takes 2 hours to fill the whole tank. How about in 1 hour? So we'll consider in 1 hour, 1 hour for all of them. So for tap A, you realize that it only fills a half of the tank. So remember, this is obtained by simply saying if 2 hours takes the whole tank, how about just 1 hour? So cross multiplying, you get a half. So for tap B takes 5 hours to fill the whole, and therefore in 1 hour, that is 1/5. Tap C, we have 4 hours, and therefore in 1 hour is 1/4. Tap D empties, and it takes 10 hours to empty, and therefore that means in 1 hour it empties a tenth. And then tap E can empty it in 3 hours. That means for tap E, in 1 hour it empties a third of the tank. So the next thing you are told, how many hours are used to fill the tank when all pipes are working? So when all are opened, what we'll simply have is this. We have tap A, B and C filling, and tap D and E emptying. So what we'll simply have here is that for tap A and tap B and tap C, they were simply adding water to the tank. But when you come to tap D, they are simply subtracting, they are emptying minus a third. And from this, we can therefore get the fraction filled in 1 hour. So we are going to get the LCM here, and the LCM is 60. So here we'll have 30 plus 12 plus 15 minus 6, and this is minus 20. And this is 31/60. So we can say if 31/60 is filled in 1 hour, how about 1 or 60/60 will be how many hours? So cross multiplying will have 1 by 1 over 31/60, and this is simply 60/31, and that finally gives us 129/31 hours. So that is the time taken by all the taps to fill the tank. So that is it for this question. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.